Hello everyone, welcome to Chidebere Maths class. Today we are going to look at this question under inequality. The question says, find the range of values of x for which 2x plus 3 is less than 5 times x minus 3. Alright, solution. So in solving this type of question, it's just the normal way we solve an equation, but just the difference between this inequality and solving normal equation is that we have an inequality sign. Another thing is that when you are dividing by a negative number, the sign of inequality usually changes. Alright, let's look at this question and solve it. So the first thing we have to do here is to open this bracket by using 5 to multiply x and also using 5 to multiply 3 inside this bracket. So we'll have 2x plus 3 is less than 5 times x will give us 5x minus 5 times 3 here will give us 15. So the next thing is to collect like terms. We're going to collect like terms. In doing that, we are going to take the numbers that have x to one side of the inequality, while the numbers that do not have x will also go to one side of the inequality. Alright, in doing that, I'm going to take minus 15 to the left hand side of the inequality and take 2x to the right hand side of the inequality. So in doing that, I already have 3 on the left hand side of the inequality. So if this minus 15 crosses over this inequality sign, it changes to plus 15, which is less than 5x is already here. So if this 2x, this is a positive 2x, crosses over the inequality sign, it changes to what? Minus 2x. Then we can add these numbers and subtract them. So 3 plus 15 here will give us 18. And 18 is less than 5x minus 2x will give us 3x. Now, for us to get the value of x or the range of values of x, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 3. The coefficient of x here means the number beside x. So we have 18 divided by 3, which is less than 3x divided by 3. Then 3 into itself is 1. 3 into 18 will give us 6. And 3 into itself is 1. 3 into itself is 1. So we are left with x here. So we can say that 6 is less than what? X. So another way, this is just like a sentence. 6 is less than x. So if you want to start the sentence with x, you can now say that x is greater than what? 6. Or if we say that 3 is less than 5, so this implies that 5 is greater than what? 3. So applying that here, we have 6 is less than x, so this implies that what? X is greater than what? 6. And the range of values of x are all the numbers that are greater than what? 6. Because they said x is greater than 6. So x is any number that is greater than 6. So you can say that 7 can be x, 8 can be x, 9 can be x, and going up. These are the range of values. That's why I call them range of values of x, which are greater than what? 6. Thanks very much for watching. Please do like, share, and what? Comment. Please. Thank you very much. Bye bye.